Tianjin Tengteng Optoelectronic Technology Company, Limited is an enterprise specializing in the design and processing of high-precision optical components. It mainly produces and customizes various spherical and aspherical optical lenses, precision optical components, and assemblies. We are particularly suitable to provide customers with professional services for R&D prototyping and small and medium-sized batch orders. The company is equipped with a complete production and testing equipment system, recently added single-point diamond turning lathes, CNC engraving machine and high-precision profilometer, which have greatly improved the processing accuracy and inspection capabilities of optical components and provided more reliable solutions for high-end optical applications. Recently, we participated in the 2026 Laser World of Photonics China and Photonics 2026 Russia, establishing good cooperative relationships with industry partners from all over the world and obtaining positive market feedback.